Hey guys, it's Matt Monday again. Today we're going to talk again about powder protection, specifically respiratory masks. So probably ever since COVID hit us, everybody knows about masks and has to wear them on a regular basis. But for working with metal powders, there are some special masks you need to work with, and also there are 3 different kinds of masks. There are one-way masks, much like your FFP2 mask that you use on a daily basis for protecting yourself against COVID. Then there are multi-use masks that you can use multiple times, and then there are multi-use masks which have an active air blower integrated to give you fresh air. And I'm going to show you in a second each one of those. Alright, so here you have your single-use FFP3 mask. So this one is slightly better than the daily COVID masks. And this one, it shows you on the back exactly how to wear it. The most important stuff is probably that you actually push all the metal that's inside to make your face fit. Press it firmly against your face so that it's actually very closed and that you don't accidentally breathe on the outside of your mask, and that it's actually all filtered through the mask. This one is particularly good if you have visitors at your facility and want to show them an experiment, or have a dirty machine where you want to look into and your visitors don't have any masks or anything with them. So those are for single use only, and they should be thrown away after one use. Alright, so here's a multi-use mask, and this one is from Moldex, and it also has FFP3 filter class, so the level of protection, if worn correctly, is the same. With these multi-use masks, you also have to make sure when you wear them that they're really firm against your face, so there's no air gap that you accidentally suck in air through this gap. And the advantage of this one is it can be worn many times. You just have to make sure that you change the filters regularly and that you clean the inside regularly. These are, at least at our facility, personalized masks, so each employee has their own mask because it's for sanitary reasons. You know, you don't want to share a sweaty mask with a coworker, and especially in times of COVID, you don't want to have that stuff getting carried around. So this is a mask from 3M. It's called Versaflow, and this is by far the Ferrari of the respiratory protective devices. The way it works is you wear a belt that has a filter in it that is also FFP3 or better, and it sucks in air and pumps it into the mask through this connector back here. So basically when you wear it, there's an overpressure inside the mask that prevents particles from going inside. The big advantage of this one is if you have to wear the mask for a long time, for example you do a lot of maintenance or do an experiment with powder, this one feels really comfortable. You have no pressure against your face, you have cool air flowing over your head, especially in the summer. This is really nice. The only drawback of this system is that compared to the other masks, this is much more expensive in acquiring, but it's by far the most comfortable system, and I really like using this one. So that was a quick summary of different protective gear for your respiratory system. And if worn correctly, all these devices protect you the same way against metal powders or other hazardous stuff. However, you really got to make sure that you follow the instructions of the different vendors on how to correctly wear them, as this is really crucial to your own personal safety. As always, if you want to learn more, leave a comment down below or mail me directly, and I will see you guys next week.